Hi all, I'm Cube FPV and you are going to learn about how to select FPV cameras. FPV cameras are of different types. Either we need to select it for either a micro drone or a Whoop indoor flight, or it is for a freestyle drone, or it is for a long range digital drone. The one you are seeing now is an all-in-one FPV camera. It got its own video transmitter in it and the antenna is fixed to it. The only thing we need to give is an input power. Once it is powered on, it starts to send the video signal to the receiver module, which is the FPV goggle or a ground station, and the pilot can see through that. It is mainly used on indoor micro drones and it cannot be used on the drones that we fly outdoor or on a racing or for any freestyle purpose. This is mainly used only because of the very less in weight. It weighs mostly like 3 to 5 grams and it can be used in very smaller size drones. The one you are seeing now is a micro FPV camera. It is just a camera. It doesn't have its any own VTX. This camera should be connected to any video transmitter that we use according to the drone, and the video signal will be transferred to the goggles or the ground station. This camera will be of like two different sizes. One will be mini and another one will be a micro camera. It can be used on the size as per the needs. Either the mini or a nano one, it can be used on a cine Whoop, and the micro camera that can be used on either 5-inch freestyle or a 5-inch racing drone, or it is for a long range 7-inch drone. Digital FPV camera. This one got its own VTX, which we call it as either DJI R unit or a Caddx Vista unit. It transfers a very good clear feed of 720 pixels 120 fps to the receiver or the ground station, whoever owns a DJI digital goggles. The latency of the camera is little bit more than the analog cameras that we saw earlier. Finally, in order to select an FPV camera, either we must choose between analog or a digital one. If we go for an analog camera, the latency will be very less, but there will be static lines which we can see in the goggles feed. It will be little difficult for few newbie flyers, those who starts for flying. In order to go for a very clear video feed, or for or if we are using it for any kind of video shoot or it for a movie shoot, we can better invest on a digital camera and we can go for that. The latency is little bit more than the analog camera that we see. Thanks for watching. On the next video, we'll be seeing how to select video transmitters. Stay tuned, keep me subscribed for more videos. Thank you.